Hey guys, welcome to our day 4 of a 7-day Mudgar challenge for beginners. Okay, so today's move is a little interesting move where we are doing a little bit of flipping. Okay, so I'll show you the move first. Basically, you have to continuously flip your Mudgar. Okay, flip your Mudgar in the air and do a front lunge. Okay, I'll show you the move first. So the move is like this. See, hold your Mudgar like this. Okay, hold it like this. Make a lunge, twist. Come back, switch, lunge, twist, come back, switch, lunge, twist. Okay, it might be a little confusing. Don't worry, you will get the hang of it. Okay, let's go for the complete workout. What I'll do is to make it more easy for you, I'll show it from side angle. Okay, I'll show it from side angle. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on, guys. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Now start taking deeper lunges. 32, deeper lunges. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. You will already start sweating. Okay, you feel the burn within your body. This is a nice full body workout. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and relax. I know today it might seem a little bit more tough, right? Because this is a full body workout, okay? This is a full body workout. It is challenging your entire body, okay? And you will also feel a good sweat. I hope, guys, you're learning something. I hope you're enjoying this challenge series. Now, I will see you on day 5.